Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. I have some exciting news to tell you guys today. I just purchased my brand new camera. It's the G7X and I just purchased it from Amazon. I'm excited for you guys to see my new content, so let's get into the video.
Even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice that
Today I wanted to get on here and give you guys a little bit of cleaning motivation, so I encourage you to get up and clean with me. This video is only 8 minutes, but you can only imagine what you can get done in that short time period.
being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs like never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to.
I'm excited to mention that this is a collab with Mama Bear Coles. She creates content on cleaning and organizing, and I think you guys will definitely love her content. It's very similar to mine. I will also post her subscription link down below if you want to check her channel out.
Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs like never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there.
And if you are from Mama Bear Coles channel, I want to welcome you to my channel. Thank you for clicking on the link. I would love for you to subscribe here. I post content on cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle. So if you're into that type of motivation, you'll definitely love it here.
I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of
To clean the countertops, I am using my Everspring spray. I've talked about it in the last couple of videos, so I'm still going strong with using this spray. It has been working great. So it is an all-purpose cleaner, and you can just purchase it at Target.
again. I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
Summer days, they go shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you. The leaves change their color, fall is close and you break.
As I mentioned before, we are slowly transitioning into the simple farmhouse style. So I have some cool videos coming for you guys soon where I'll be changing things up as well as rearranging. So I'm definitely excited for you guys to see my new content.
Maybe I wouldn't care if I could suffocate my feelings for you. And I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Oh, leaves change their color and fall as close.
I know I mentioned in a couple videos ago that I purchased the E-Cloth mop, and I wanted to let you guys know how it works, and I absolutely love this mop. All you do is add water, and I just wring it out a little bit, and I can wipe the whole floor in the kitchen without having to switch it out or add more water. But it's definitely all natural, clearly, because all you have to do is add water, and you don't have to use any toxic products on your floor or anything like that. So I would definitely check it out if you're into products like that.
Down, wish I could stop time. Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my liability.
Thank you guys for watching this quick kitchen clean with me. I hope it gave you the motivation to get up and tackle some things today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post new content. I try to post 2 or 3 times a week, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Bye.